Dorex FH series commercial door locks. It's been installed, but here's how you work the lock. Right now it's opened, both handles open the door. To lock it, push the button. Now it's locked. It will unlock from the inside by working the inside lever. It also unlocks with the key. There's another option. Push it in and now turn it. Now it is permanently locked. You can work the door handle to get out, but that does not unlock it. The key also does not unlock it. So to get in, you do not use the door handle, but you use the key to open it. Watch the latch move with the key. So the door handle will not open it, but you can only open it with a key. And for that situation, it is permanently locked. To return it to normal, put this back to there. Now it's on regular lock. You can use the door handle or the key to finish unlocking it. So that is the two options for locking the Dorex FH series commercial lock set. Hope that's been helpful to anyone who's been confused or concerned about the operation of those things. And the sheep says, now I'm locked out.